Hello YouTube, this is OJ Cubing and welcome to my video on solving the Rubik's Cube one turn per day. Hopefully I'm going to be solving this in about 2 months or so, and if you want to check out Lego Boys 3 video on this is where I got my inspiration for it. Anyway, let's crack on with the video. Let's go with the Scramble algorithm that I've got up on my screen that you can't see, which is
F prime, B prime, L prime, D, U, L prime, D prime, R, B, D, U2, B2, L prime, D prime, L prime, R prime, U prime, B prime, R, F prime, L2, U prime, L, U, R.
And let's just check to see whether that matches the algorithm. Yep, that seems good. Okay, so I'm going to start off by doing a Z2. So I'm going to be solving with yellow on the top, green at the front. And we're going to start off with the move F prime, B, L prime, B2, R2, U, L prime, U prime, L, U2, R, U, R2, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U2, B prime, U prime, B, U prime, F, U, F prime, U, F, U prime, F prime, R prime, F prime, R, L prime, U prime, L, U, R prime, F, R, B, U, B prime, R2, D prime, F, U prime, F prime, U, F prime, D, R2. Yes guys, I've finally done it. This is taking me like 2 months. I'm so happy that I finished this. Yeah, it's been a really long project and I didn't actually miss a single day, so I'm really impressed with myself. It was really fun to do. You should go try it out yourself. I've made a behind the scenes video if you want to check that out. And but for now guys, have a great day. See you all later.